Squadron in March 1937. It replaced the Hawker Hind, and to give you an idea of the sort of advancement that this aeroplane represented, the Hind's top speed was 186 miles an hour, that of the Blenheim was 260. But its advantage over other contemporary types wasn't to last.
Is a testament to the extraordinary pace of development in aviation at that time, that when the Second World War broke out, only a couple of years after the Blenheim entered service, it was already being superseded by much faster aircraft on both sides.
In fact, there were more Blenheims in RAF service when war broke out in September 1939, nearly 1,100 of them, than any other individual aircraft type. And this was the aircraft in which the RAF first went to war that pivotal month.
It was one such Blenheim Mark IV that became the first British aircraft to
The significant losses they suffered on that raid rather set the tone for what was to follow. Nevertheless,
was a very vulnerable aircraft, regardless of which way you looked at it. Too slow to avoid fighters, too fast for artillery spotting, and too big to hide. As the war went on, Lysanders were replaced by a multitude.
and this would guarantee the Lysander's everlasting legend. There were two squadrons of what were known as special duties Lysander, bring them back to the UK.
Special duties Lysanders were not fitted with any kind of navigation equipment beyond what would normally have been fitted to a Lysander, the pilot be at light. But sometimes in very poor weather.
Poor weather that one Lysander pilot once said, grounded pretty much the whole